This compact AOREC Mini Recorder packs generous 64 GB storage and long-lasting power, so it can handle extended lectures, meetings, or interviews without running out of space or battery mid-session. Its voice activation with adjustable sensitivity means it only captures audio when people are actually speaking, which keeps files shorter and makes reviewing recordings far more efficient. The built-in artificial intelligence noise reduction does a solid job of cutting down background hiss and room noise, so spoken voices come through clearer than on many basic recorders. A strong magnetic back lets you discreetly attach the recorder to metal surfaces for hands-free capture, which is especially handy in cars, classrooms, or conference rooms. The modern USB-C connection makes transferring recordings to a computer or phone quick and straightforward, while also simplifying charging with the same cable you use for many other devices. Despite its very small size, the recorder feels sturdy, has simple one-touch controls, and supports common audio formats, making it practical for everyday carry and easy playback.